What's up guys, welcome back with me Snake Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Kyrie 6 Chinese New Year. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, on the marking area here, there is a lot more glue stain, white glue stain. It's looking dirty, and also this one it should be a little bit gap on the fake one, just like the authentic here. There's a lot more gap, and this one also you can see between the upper and the outsole and the midsole there is a lot more glue stain. It's looking so dirty. And this one also there is a lot more white glue stain here. It's looking terrible. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here on the marking area, the line here is should be connect. This one is slightly to the right. Just look at on the authentic one, the line is connect just like this. Another sample on the forefoot here, there is a lot of white glue stain. It's looking messy, it's looking very dirty. And another sample again, you can see the line, it doesn't connect the upper, between the upper and the midsole here. It should be connect like the authentic here. Looking from above here, as you can see, the color of the insole is a lot more bolder, it's a lot more vibrant on the authentic than on the fake one. And this one also, you can see the color of the red is a lot more bright on the fake one, then it's a lot more bright on the authentic one than the fake one. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see, there is a lot more glue stain on top of the midsole. And also this one, take a closer look, there's a lot of opening and a lot of glue stain on the fake one than the authentic one. Another sample is pretty clear, it's pretty easy to spot, there's a lot more glue stain. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any questions, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.